Today's video is one truly dear to my heart. We are doing my mother's makeup for her 70th birthday. So let's get into it. So I'm starting with the eyes as usual. Joy, do you really have to make that noise? It's my cat. She has on a comb. So it's anyway. So I'm prepping the eyes first, and I wanted to do, well, we both wanted to do a soft, sultry eye. So I've done the first eye off camera. I like to start with buffing the color onto the crease. So I'm using just a medium shade brown, and then I'm going to go in and deeper that corner with one of my favorite palettes. You already know it's the Juvia's Place Chocolate. I'm going in, building that outer corner, adding depth and dimension, because you guys know I need the depth and dimension, okay? And then darkening that outer corner, and then I'm going to put on the light shade on the inner corner of the eye and just blend that out. But look how pretty it looks already, right? And okay, look at my mother's skin. She is 70 years old. Not a wrinkle in sight, not one. And she's all natural. All right, so I'm going in with the wing. You guys know I'm always going to wing it. 9 times out of 10, I'll wing it. My mom is a MAC girly, okay? She keeps MAC in business. And, MAC has been around as long as they've been around, because they're doing something right, And so here, I know the foundation shade looks off, but keep in mind, my mom does have hyperpigmentation on her face, and her shoulders are going to be exposed in her chest, so we match that area, okay? And as you see, it came together beautifully, of course. So I'm just going in with a little bit more foundation just to cover that little area a little bit more, blending everything out so it's nice and seamless, and being very gentle around the eyes. And so I use the side of the brush for that. All right, going in with the forehead, blending that out. And you guys, we had such a good time while we were doing her makeup, such a good time. And I was so happy she allowed me to do a different color on her lip, because my mom is a red lip girly. She didn't know I was catching her, getting her little groove on. But I was so happy she allowed me to do a ombre lip and to step out of her comfort zone. So I was glad she allowed me to do that, and it looked really good in the end. So I have not covered the skin around her lip just yet, because I'm gonna go in and do my trick, and you guys will see that in a minute. If you've seen my makeup videos, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm just applying the gloss. Now here she's saying I made her look like me. She's like, she looks like me. I'm like, no, I look like you. You made me. So okay, this is what I'm talking about. So you see the difference it makes. So she was just overcome with happy emotions right there. She was starting to cry. I'm like, please don't cry. So I had to make her laugh. So I'm like, no tears, no tears. So she's like, inside joke. So I'm completing the lip. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch for a second. So I'm coming back and correcting her eye makeup right here from when she had the happy tears. And there's my sister loving on her. It was like, yes, it's your day. So now I'm filling in her eyebrows. I'm using the, what is that called? The NYX Espresso. Putting on her mascara, okay. Popping those lashes on, because you gotta have the lashes popping for the pictures. Let's undo that hair, honey. Okay, let's juice it up and everything. She was looking good. Yay, that's us together. I'm like, throw up the peace sign, my peace. And let me tell you guys, We had a ball. Like, I'm late posting this. My mom's birthday is in October, so this was mid-October. Everybody talked about this party for weeks. And you can see we are all having a ball. Okay, look at my mama looking good. I'm like, Ma, you make 70 look good. You are the goal, honey. Okay? All right, you guys. So that's that. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video.